Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
Good morning.
Let me introduce myself. My name is Aura Gladiva Anissa, and you can call me Aura. Today, I would like to talk about one of the most important traditions in Bugis culture, which is Uang Panai in traditional marriage. Uang Panai is often misunderstood as simple money that the man must give to the woman's family. However, behind this tradition there are deep cultural, social, and moral meanings that are important to understand, especially in modern society today. In this presentation, I will explain three main things. One, the meaning of Uang Panay in Bugis culture. Two, how its meaning has changed over time. Three, and how we should understand this tradition today. What is Uang Panay? In Bugis society, marriage is not only the union of two individuals, but also the union of two large families. Because of this, the wedding process is seen as a very important social event. Uang panai is money given by the man's family to the woman's family before marriage, but it is not meant to buy the bride. Instead, it is a symbol of respect, responsibility, and seriousness from the man who wants to marry her. The amount of uang panai is usually decided through discussion between both families. In many cases, men work for 4 years, save money, or even migrate to other place to collect enough money. This shows how uang panai reflects commitment and hard work. Cultural value behind uang panai. Uang panai is closely related to the Buddhist philosophy belief Sirik Napace. Sirik means self-respect, dignity, and honor. Pace means empathy, solidarity, and caring for others. Through uang panai, a man shows that he respects the woman and her family, while the community shows pace by helping and supporting each other during the wedding prepare. The community shows pace by helping and supporting each other during the wedding preparation. In the past, this tradition also helped with protect protect women. It showed that women have value and should be treated with respect, not as objects. So, uang panai is not only about money, but about maintaining dignity, social harmony, and cultural identity. Change in modern society. However, in modern times, the meaning of uang panai has started to change. Today, the amount of uang panai is often influenced by education level, social status, and family background. For example, women with higher education or from respected families often have higher uang panai. Because of this, uang panai is sometimes seen as a symbol of prestige or social pride, not just respect. This shift in meaning has raised new problems. Many couples have to delay their marriage because they cannot afford the amount requested. Some men even take loans or work beyond their limits just to meet social expectations. In extreme cases, couples choose to run away to get married separately. This shows that when a tradition focuses too much on money, it can become a burden instead of a meaningful cultural practice. Uang panai in Islamic perspective. In Islam, there is an important difference between mahar and uang panai. Mahar is a religious obligation that must be given by the groom to the bride. However, Islam teaches that mahar should be simple and should not create hardship. Uang panai, on the other hand, is a cultural tradition, not a religious recruit. Not a religious recruitment. It it is allowed as long as it does not cause difficulty or injustice. This means that in Islam, culture can be practiced, but as long as it does not cause difficulty or injustice. This means that in Islam, culture can be practiced, but it should not go against the principles of fairness, simplicity, and compassion. Thank you for your attention. I hope this presentation helps you better understand uang panai not only as a tradition but as a reflection of important values that should be